Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to convert basic disk to dynamic disk in Windows 10. Click search bar and type this PC. Right click this PC. Click manage. Click disk management. Right click to your physical disk. Convert to dynamic disk. Click OK. Click convert. Advantage is they basically give you more capability, like being able to span more than one physical drive into a combined logical drive. Disadvantage, like if one physical drive dies, is all the data in the span volume is at risk. Dynamic disk is created. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.